Robert Williams, Views from a Tortured Libido. Song of the Beast with the Folding Face. Scholastic designation. In the poetic cloak of an ancient rhyme stands the wild personage of the Ogarista in residence with an accordion-shaped head sporting many faces to sing its refrain. While in the range of the sound, the sick revive and stolen goods burst into fire in the hands of thieves. Remedial title. While scatting and yodeling, the concertina-headed wood imp sells face by the foot. Our foundation for this canvas is monochromatic greens. Use of green is beneficial for the forest effect that occupies the upper quarter of the canvas. To the right is the sky seen through the trees. To the left, the opening in the foliage reveals a medieval stronghold. In the foreground, forming an arch from one side of the canvas to the other, is our red-haired creature and his folding multi-imaged face. He has a short body with a hunched back, and a long hackled crest running over his head and down his back. Ram's horns coil out on each side of the ridge of hair. His pointed ears and red goatee are the only facial features, except for the folds that fill the picture. With claws for feet, he uses his normal hands to pump on a small accordion in musical accompaniment to his face. The images that compose his unraveled face are as follows: a modernistic purple, yellow, white, and black face. Then a turquoise head with a distended mouth and a fried egg and a fish for eyes. Next to that is Coochie Cootie, visually projecting an evil hex. Around the corner is a whinnying fool with his dentures clamped to his tongue. Facing this is a purple preacher who is preaching. Behind him, a weasel-faced character is taking a nosedive. Adjacent to that is an aqua-green beauty queen holding her breastwork. After that, a white insect-esque bug, followed by a red Easter Island tiki. As the panels continue to fold together into a stack, still visible are assorted noses and appendages. The essence of this forest gnome is embellished on his coat of arms, displayed in a white circle in the center of the picture. Remember, cartoon imagery might be relegated to children, but they are all permanent guests in our libidos.